What is up, guys? I am Howie, and this is the Go Ride channel, where I struggle to publish 2 videos every week about motorcycle topics of every flavor. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you want more content like this, please hit subscribe and turn on your notifications. I would really appreciate it. In today's video, I'm going to continue breaking down the KDX, ideally to the bare frame. And let's get to it. All right, guys, that is the bare frame, and that wraps this episode. In the next episode, I'm gonna go ahead and try to clean this thing up to the point where I won't be embarrassed. I think I'm gonna take it for powder coating, as expensive as it is. I'm gonna do some comparison shopping and some brown bagging for lunch, and come up with the cash to get this thing powder coated. I'm gonna keep this bike for a long time. If I can get this thing back together, it should be sweet. So might as well do it right. But again, hopefully you guys don't have a pile of parts where your dirt bike used to be, and you can get out there and go ride.